representative from GADH Varkala. Today we are presenting on the topic Importance of Nadi Diagnosis and Treatment, presented by Dr. Joseph Casey. Just a little housekeeping before we get started. If you have any questions during the presentation, please type them into the question box. And all delegates are requested to fill the form for e-certificate. The link will be shared as soon as possible in the Zoom chat box. Now, without further ado, I would like to introduce before you Dr. Joseph Casey is currently serving as a Chief Medical Officer of Nityadhara Mata Clinic, Karnataka. He holds a qualification of BAMS, PCH, PGO, PG Diploma in Sexuality and Sexual Counseling. He also excels as Marmajani, acupuncturist, Nadi diagnosis and treatment, and also in the field of osteopathy and kinopathy. Dr. Joseph Casey is known to have conducted various sessions on Nadi Chigilsa, which deals importance of Nadi diagnosis and treatment, basic way of holding Nadi, way of reading Manas by Nadi, and modalities of Sattva Vijay Chigilsa. I cordially invite Dr. Joseph Casey to this presentation, and once again, I welcome all the delegates in this section. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, good evening, my dear friends. So, myself, Dr. Joseph, thanks for the introduction and all things. And thanks for the invitation. And because we Ayurvedic people, we think that we know everything, and we will not share the knowledge which we have. Actually, first thing we have, when the system develops, means we have to give, when we have to contribute our knowledge to the system. Like in allopathy system or any system of medicine, when they do a research, they give to share to all of us. So henceforth, so if we have something, we have to share. The thought that Gaupyata, we lost many things, many beautiful herbs, that too, Dhatuvada, metallurgy, and especially Nadi Chikitsa, it's one among them which we have lost because it was very much superior than whatever the diagnostic tools are there today. So we have lost that integrity out to analyze the things. So this should be a fire, kindling of fire after listening this. So viewers and it should share in all over the world that see Nadi Pariksha is such an amazing and interesting thing. So where after listening this, you will be able to understand that even before heart attack appears, before 7 months, you will be able to understand whether the person will be having heart attack, renal failure, or anything of that sort. And you will be able to understand the coronavirus before, and just there is sniffing of dogs in foreign countries where corona patients were sniffed and they would be diagnosed. So in the same way, if dog can do that, why human brains, it's such an amazing thing. So we are not able to understand, is it, through Nadi. So before the science, all the diagnostic, superior quality diagnostic had come, we were able to diagnose and tell this is renal calculi, arbuda, and many more. Even the father of surgery is Sushruta itself, father of modern surgery. Then we tell that we are nothing. So we have got that inferiority complex. First, you have to leave it. Then we have to develop it. We have to think over it. Then we will get. So henceforth, so let us start with the importance of Nadi diagnosis and treatment in this era. Why you give importance to Nadi? So let us come to next slide. So yeah, the 1 minute. Yeah, concept of Nadi. So it was developed in good olden days to understand whether the patient is dead or what. So when they understood that, see, it varies from patient to patient, family members to member, then they understood that there is some significance of Nadi. If you are understanding the Nadi, we will be able to understand the disease and his manas. So when this concept grew each and every day, then they understood that family members have similar type of vibration. Why it is? Then we can call it as genetics. Then when a person is suffering in a family with or like backache or anything that could be, the same psychological process, the pain that the patient is suffering or near and dear ones suffering will is passed on to the patients or like bystanders psychic level, and the nadi gati will be almost similar as the patient. So there was a concept of duta nadi. So you need not look for the patient, you just see the bystanders nadi and you come to understand what the problem the actual patient is suffering from. In olden days, that was like there was like a big problem of transportation, where patients party used to come and tell that doctor like my patient that and this likewise. So even what happens, the few languages that they used to tell, make they may be like tribal, no, the language will be very different. So what the doctor used to do, so understand the things, they used to see the bystanders nadi that we call duta nadi, then they give treatment accordingly. So I have practiced this type of and I have got testimonies also. You can just go through my YouTube channel, Dr. Joseph Joy, where you will be getting all the testimony and the how to see the nadi. And for further information, you can just log into my website, www.nityadharamatheclinic.com. So where you will getting all the videos till now, whatever the video section I have done, each and everything you will get. So what I wanted to tell you is that, see, learn nadi and understand the manas and the process of pathogenesis, where you'll be understanding why only this patient had the cancer, not everyone. Why this patient having coronavirus died, because many have come out of it. Why this only person? You might tell immunity, that this and everything. So you're not stressing and emphasizing over the manas, how the waves, how he has taken it. So we call it as cytokine storm, where after knowing that I have got corona, the patient get afraid such that more cytokine has been released for his protection. But for a small mosquito, it's just like a small mosquito, you take a big hammer and beat it. So anyhow, this mosquito will die, but your hand will be gone. So it is something like hyperactivity. So hyperimmune response is being heard from our body. What made that hyper response? We are not analyzing that. What made that? So when we come to nadi, then you will understand the importance of sattva avajaya chikitsa. Actually, why we are called physicians or vaidya. What is our importance? First, you have to understand our importance. Example, see, if a patient comes with a snake bite, okay, and you're looking to him and you're telling, gone case, so we cannot save him. If you tell this word, immediately he will afraid and he will go sooner. So it means that when you give confidence, no, nothing is going to happen, take this medicine, within half hour you can go out. This is not big deal. This is a simple snake bite. It will come day to day in my practice. If you say this confidence, no, even though it's very severity, so you will have a chance of surviving the patient. So what is happening in today's field of medical field, it's coming business mentality. So we have to remove that, and you have to give confidence to the patient. A patient 2010, one patient came to me that Manipal doctors had told me that I will be surviving only for 2 months, and luckily he survived for 10 years. We know recently last year itself in November he died. So he say he was aged about 73 years old. After 10 years, 83. See, where is 2 months and where is 10 years? If you would have taken that sense into his mind, he could have died before 1 month itself. He could have died. See, when he did not take, he had got a good strong willpower that made him to survive that many years. So what and where is the science actually? So everything is in our thought. So coming to the slide, so I have told you that we can see the duta nadi also. Coming to next, understanding thoughts of waves. See, if you are thinking negatively or positively or suicidal thoughts, all have a particular wavelength, and it passes into the brain from there to the neurons, and that particular waves are passed the information to the particular area of the brain, and from there it moves on to the body organs and commands accordingly. Just for example, see now, Bhishma is Icchamarani. So when he had the thought of I should die, then only degeneration process started. So what we understood by this, we are deciding our death by giving negative feedback mechanism. Now we understood. So then where the importance comes of Nadi and also Sattva Vajaya Chikitsa here. If you give Sattva Vajaya Chikitsa, don't fear. So we are with you. That assurance by thought, it passes to the person. By feeling, it gives an encouragement to the person. So if you are doing with that way, that intention, yes, we can do that. So if we are ourselves is not confident that, oh, this might act or not. So if we have this tendency in our thought, how we are able to think positively and how we will be able to get the drugs positively. So henceforth, we should have a good willpower to understand and give confidence and boosting to the patient. Next coming, so understanding waves means understanding the manas. So now we understood that thought, that is manas, is a culprit for disease and health. So only we told no ragadi rogan satata anushaktan ashesha kaya prasrutanusheshan autsukya moha aratitan danjadana yo apuro vaidyaha namostu tasmai. So it means that all the disease to the manukula has developed from the manas itself. The thought of anger, jealousy, greed, everything which entered into us caused a negative wave that absorbed by the neurons of the brain that will be liberated to the organs. So henceforth, what I tell you is that without analyzing the mind, how we will be able to treat them? Because the janani, the thought itself is the cause of the all the disease. So now coming to next point. So important of Nadi diagnosis. Nadi is one of the world's cheapest tool to assess all the disease before it manifests and a prognostic tool. So you are given a medicine. So how, whether he is coming up, whether he is telling lie that even though he has got cured and he wants to get furthermore powerful medicines, or you're like, there will be some mentality of patient having shopping of doctors. So you can avoid. So it is something like that. Before it manifests, you will be able to understand, and you can understand the psychological process, whatever it is going in the mind of the patient or a person, and we can understand our partners, how are they, what they are feeling, and that there could be good, we can build up a good relationship. If you are having a business, we can understand the business partner's mind, whether he is stable or he will be giving doka to us and live in a halfway itself. So when we understand all those things, it will be very easy for us to lead our life. So till now we have neglected this tool where we Ayurvedic doctors did not give sufficient importance to it. Nor it was a curriculum in BMS studies. I do not know now, I was past 2010. So as where we lack the knowledge, as Nadi Vaidya, we maintained Gaupyata. So as it is dangerous tool, if it is acquired by a selfish, greedy people, they can understand your manas and they can take advantage of it. So who can study Nadi diagnosis? So all persons who have interest and moreover have ambition to help the people around them need not be only doctors but also anyone, those have the those who do not have any selfishness, and those who are able to cope up or help the other people in and around them itself. So only this vidya is kept on air now. So such that those who learn will become a good doctor, no doubt. Those who listen will turn their lifestyle and become a good human being with good morals. So it means that if you want to be a Nadi Vaidya, the thing is that your moral should be very high. Your all chakra should be very boosting with high energy. And if that is the way, then there is no chance for the negative wave itself. Even the selfish people learn, what will happen? They will be very good people after it. So the thing is that I found that many people die without their awareness, because big doctors gynecologist a few 1 year 2 years back, I heard that just 33 years old gynecologist died after having all the operation in her hospital, came back, died in her home itself. Even though They had in their hospital all the facility, echo, ECG, and everything, but still it was not able to diagnose all those things. Then why? Then we'll tell it is a silent heart attack. Then where is the diagnostic tool then to understand the silent heart attack? So if you are able to understand, go through the previous Ayurveda science and also acupuncture, marmam, we can understand that there is something more than what we understand today. So let us see how deep it is and how amazing it is to understand the nadi, and it will be like like it's very giving very much pleasure to like understand and to know about nadi. See, the way of holding nadi I have given in the my YouTube channel. The way how to see the nadi, it's something like vata, pitta, kapha. You have to keep the other way like this, and you have to see that. You can see in my YouTube channel. I will not waste time telling all those things. These are the basic things. I do not want to tell all those things. Just you can go through it. Coming to, so pancha jnanendriya wave. So why eye? That is a light wave. Ear, sound. Nose, smell. Tongue, taste. Skin touch. These are all the waves. So we have to understand each wave. Coming, sound wave. So let us see the sound. Sound is a medium of speech. Animals also communicate by sound. Our heart beats by sound loved up. By the tone of voice, we will be able to understand it is scolding or loving voice, even though we do not understand the language. So it's clear that voice produce have a wavelength of love in all the language itself. So when a person is hurt by our words, it creates a vibration in the body, causing depressive feeling, leading to slow basal metabolic rate. If you are angry with anyone for a prolonged period of time, leads to increased basal metabolic rate. So sound has got sinusoidal waves. So each wave is different. As you can see, it is differentiated in the layer by its wavelength itself. So even we use ultrasound waves in medical field for understanding. So as you see, sinusoidal waves of sound have greater wavelength. Below, as in the light we saw, each color starting from violet, the wavelength goes on increasing. And we have compared it to Saptadhatu. That we will be coming into the next slide. Don't worry about it. In the same way, we understood sound have the same wave pattern as the light. Okay, now coming to, so only if you are having if you are hearing like few songs, if you are going to church, mosque, we'll be having a positive vibration. In the same way, when we hear the sound of horror movie, we'll be having negative vibration of fear. So now you understood that there is a sound makes us happy, sad, angry, romantic, all those things. So it is been calculated in the equation also. You can go through it. So coming to Muladhara Chakra, when we take Lam, so it will initiate or energize the Muladhara Chakra. When it comes to Swadhisthana Chakra, Vam. When you create this sound, take a deep breath, and as you leave, you have to take Vam. This creates the Swadhisthana Chakra. A positive vibes is being sent by the sound waves. So whatever it may be, in the Manipura, likewise, Ram, Yam, Hum, Om. Coming to, so you understood the swara of 6 chakra and the mantra also. By reciting those mantra, the chakra will get stimulated and recharged, as well as the manas will become in equilibrium state. And now the interesting point is, now we have to understand one thing. If a person comes to us by stealing a car for a sound therapy, and if you're giving him a sound therapy, what will happen? Nothing will happen, because so there should be a repentance before any therapy to work. If he's having a guilt feeling, I have killed someone, I have done any stolen something, it is there in his mind. Where is the prashchitta? Or before, like without doing prashchitta, how if we are doing mantra tantra, like it is not going to work by giving any medicines. So that has to be removed from his or her mind. Then only it is possible to give a beautiful treatment. one if I tell examples, that will be 4-5 hours class. So I'm not going in depth with examples. Otherwise, it will be very interesting to listen with examples. So when we start Om mantra, that is 432 hertz. So vibration frequency found in all the things. So henceforth, you can just go through it. So in the color, as I was listed here, the colors, as you can see in one page, other side dhatus, other side chakras. So you can see a beautiful correlation. You can go through it. So if negative waves influence all the chakra, positive wave have influence over the negative wave. And the absence of light is darkness. So when you send a positive waves into the subconscious mind, all the negative waves is gone away. As the light enters darkness, darkness vanishes. So the absence of light is darkness. So when absence of positive waves is negative wave. So if you are inducing a positive waves, that could be very interesting. And that is something like just a software. For example, you are viewing in your mobile or laptops. Software. So if the good software means software will be costing more money than the hardware. So this is a hardware. Manas is a software. If he is very stout and young and energetic, and the thing is that he is mad, what is the use there? So software is wrong. So there is no use of the hardware at all. So in the same way, we have to understand how the software is. Then only we can give treatment. And coming to next slide, sound waves in chakra. You can see the sound like Sahasrara, anti-sound wave that will affect the chakra. If you are having the kama, desire, thirst, what will happen? Sahasrara chakra will go off. So how to increase that? You have to tell ni. So sari, gama, pada, nisa. It's actually the saptaswara. If you tell chant, sa, so it initiates the Muladhara chakra. In the same way, so there is a beautiful thing that is in our system. So it has got, if you analyze, it is very nice. So component of light. So you can see the various wavelength. So visible spectrum is the portion of electromagnetic spectrum that is visible to the human eye. We can only see up to 380 to 740 nanometer. So as we see the blue sky, light is scattered in air. So only we are seeing blue sky. At the starting point of the sun, it will be white. So all are possible by wavelength and frequency of light. So link between manas and object. When you see an object creating a wavelength, if like manas will travel to that object and feel that it requires that object with him. As in your childhood days, you used to catch butterfly for fun, but as when we grow, we create liking for a few object and aversion towards few. It is of two types: habituated, that is Brahmin brought up with a vegetarian diet, and other is acquired by some karma phala or influenced by surrounding, like she had brought a car, I also need it. So nor I like that boy or a girl, but I will not stay for a long as days passes, because after we use anything much, we tend to lose interest later on. So relating to the kama manas, when not controlled, can land up into the prostitution, but still manas is not happy, since it lost its interest after what it had got, keeping on trying to get happiness from it, but it will fail. So manas sends a message by waves. As you can't see ultrasound wave, in the same way manas also send waves, not seen but only felt. Manas can travel more faster than light, hence we see in the Reiki healing, doing the distant healing, we feel the waves passing from our hand, and the receiver of the Reiki also receives the wave in the same time and get healed up. As I have practiced it, but anyhow, I'm not at all encouraging anyone to learn it, as it has its own side effect. But my intention was to tell you, manas also travel faster than light in the form of wave. Wave of Arishad Varga. So now you understood by the negative thoughts will end up in creating a disease for us. So now let us see the different wave of manas. Kama towards worldly things, as it is a tamasika guna produced. So as you can see, red, yellow having tamasika guna, and their wavelength is more but reduced frequency and energy. Relationship between color and dhatu. So color is in one side and dhatu is in one side. You can go through it. Relationship between dosha and dhatu. Vata consists of rasa, rakta, mamsa, pitta, meda, asti, kapha, majja and shukra. Between manas and dhatu, sattva relates to rasa, rakta, mamsa, raja relates to meda and asti, tamas relates to majja and shukra. So you might see why and how I have done the correlation by the experience, by its Pancha Mahabhutika composition. I have made this. You can just go through and understand, like, it's a beautiful thing. Like when light passes through a prism, divides into 7 colors. In the same way, we have dhatu, dosha, manas correlated now based on its wavelength itself. Moreover, who decides which color should be given more important is manas. So manas plays an important role in formation of disease, color and mood. So you can see here, violet happy, indigo cleansing, blue pleasant, green balancing, yellow guilt, orange warmth, red is danger. So it regulates our mood also. Concept of color therapy. If we get fed up in life, we feel to sit outside and see sky or green plants, mountains, by which knowingly or without our knowing, we ourselves give color therapy, which is embedded within ourselves. So God created us, moreover a self-doctor, most of the instinct we get by nature. When vata is more in our body, we feel like drinking hot water to pacify vata naturally. The color and chakra, you can go through. Manas and color. Manas travel faster than light, so it can travel with the light also. That is, manas have adaptability. So now you understood that manas is a wave, that is thought is a wave. So if you are thinking of anger, jealous without knowing, you will be stimulating Mooladhara chakra, which is of red color, causing increase of tamoguna, means your kapha dosha aggravates, by which majja and shukra dhatu will go of shoshana, drying up. So it's a color therapy, color and chakra, it's been correlated. So vata entering 7 levels. It's a beautiful and interesting thing where you can understand how vata enters and each and every dhatu and how the disease manifests. So when vata starts accumulating in the lower abdomen by it starts rukshana, second level of straining for few days may lead to further aggravation of vata. They might get addicted to laxatives. Third level, it enters sira snayu. So calcium is not absorbed from the intestine. So people complaining of body pain, joint pain, when they work little, that lead to osteoporosis. At this time, if you take calcium tablet, what will happen? Further leading to drying up of water, leading to bursitis calcaneus per tennis elbow. So we can understand how and where we have to treat and what we have to give. Fourth level, vata enters rasa dhatu, leading to the shoshan of nutrients of all dhatus, intolerance towards sound. Fifth level enters rakta dhatu, digestion is upset, starts to eat junk food, leading to pitta aggravation. No, when rakta dhatu is been affected, they will not have appetite, but they think that yes, if I take kurkure or lace, okay, I'm okay, now I'm having appetite. They think that, and they the manas is deviated to that side and they start eating it. So raw hemoglobin is not formed. So they experience dyspnea, palpitation, fear. So person will have rajas guna, tamas guna, leading to depression, loneliness, feeling that I am not recovered from this. Now pitta, which is in dravarupa, vriddhi will happen, leading to the mamsa, leading to the vidradi. Sixth level, when enters medas and asti, the person will start losing weight, osteoporosis, plantar fasciitis, pathological fracture of bone, keeps on grumbling, pralapa, does not care others, will be selfish, get the dreams of flying in the air, loses the hope in doctor, does shopping of doctors. At this stage, don't give kashaya, give Grita Prayoga. Seventh level, when Vata enters Majja and Shukra, blood formed will be decreased, pricking type of pain all over the body, feeling of emptiness, hair fall, demineralization of bones, disc protrusion, everything will start happening. Nadi of Arishad Varga. So Kama, so right, Kama, Krodha, Mada, Matsarya, Arishad Vargas, Kapha Nadi of right hand, the waves which has been felt, it is been written. So link between light, manas and dhatu. So it's the one side there is colors, one side the which violet color it is been it is when the kama has occurred, the violet or the rasa starts decreasing. In the same way, you have to analyze each and everything. So kama, so after effect or leading to what will happen? Failure, like love failure, sufferings, krodha, anxiety, hate, lobha, betrayal, downfall, mada, arrogance, moha, sad, matsarya, fear, guilt feeling. After prajna parada, what is prajna parada? Intentionally we know that it is wrong, but still we do the same thing. Prajna paradam tamvidyat sarvadosha prakopanam. By knowing the dhriti smriti brahmshaha prajna karma yat karute ashubham prajna paradam tamvidyat sarvadosha prakopanam. So this is happening here. So when coming to the right now, see, this is very much important. See, rasa, see, I have told you how to feel the nadi. Means if you imagine this is a, yeah, coming here, this is a nadi where you are going to press in 7 levels: rasa, rakta, mamsa, meda, asti, majja, shukra in right hand. So this is right hand. Vata nadi is the first one over here. Can you get it? This is the first nadi. Vata nadi here. So actually hold like this. So vata. So first level rasa means it signifies the large, how the large intestine is working. Next coming to rakta, second level. Just press one more step beside. So if you are getting a pipe, just compress in a 7 levels: rasa, rakta, mamsa, meda, asti, majja, shukra. So when the top level is rasa, you can feel that it is large intestine, how the waves. Rakta, duodenum, mamsa, pancreas, meda, lungs, asti, calcium absorption in the first part of the small intestine, majja, parietal peritoneum, shukra, reproductive system or prostate. In the same way, pitta also, in the same way here, pitta coming to the pitta, same way you have to press the 7 levels. You can just go through. Rasa is stomach, rakta, intrinsic factor of the stomach, mamsa, esophagus, and you can go, meda, spleen and everything. So coming to the kapha nadi, the same way, rasa, you can see maintains the heat or hypothalamus, rakta controls heart or medulla. So we'll be able to understand the brain functions by knowing the waves of the kapha nadi. Getting the point? So it is very interesting where you will be able to scan whole system from head to toe, each and every organs you will be able to scan, and you can feel the vibration of each and every organ, by which you can understand how the manas is functioning and what, because why we are getting that wave, that is because of our thought. Coming next point, in the same way, vata nadi in left hand, you can see over here vata nadi, you can press in the same level, you can just go through rasa, rakta, mamsa, meda, asti, majja and shukra. Pitta in the same way, just you can take a printout of it and you can just keep it in your clinic such that you will be able to understand each and everything. And as well as in the same way, kaphaja nadi also you can just go through. So understanding the nadi, we say that heart pumps, but what Ayurveda says is hridaya, it receives and supplies. Rasa and rakta, seat of vyana vata, which moves all over the body to supply all dhatus. Here you have to understand one thing. If kidney starts, is not working, it's not properly working, what will happen? Uric acid nor creatine level will be, like if it works normal, it will be in normal condition. This action is functional aspect of the kidney. Say for example, if it is grade 1 parenchymal changes started in the kidney, we call it as an anatomical change. So you have to believe that before the damage of renal cell, there is functional change, like I have mentioned, release of more creatine. If you if so, you have to believe that for having functional change, there will be some cause. According to you, what would be the cause? That you are not able to diagnose before the renal failure happens, or before grade 1 parenchymal changes happen, because before that all the values are normal itself, no? At this point of time, if bloods are tested, uh, value will be normal, but the functional disturbance first level started. But when it reaches to 7th level, then only functional damage is noticed. So nadi, the importance of nadi now you understood, because before the destruction has, like, you know, if a patient coming with a cardiac problem, and I ask them to pay 2-3 lakhs and we will do an angioplasty or something like that, it's better to tell them, Are Baba, 7 months ahead, you will be having or could happen the cardiac problem. So just break down your lifestyle, stop your eating lots of carb or lots of bakery items. So change your lifestyle, change your thought, change your ways of thinking, then you will not land up in trouble. So which is best? Telling the person before 7 months or after having heart attack, treating him. So what we can do is we can develop our own science. It's not that we have to blame any system of medicine, because even you can understand each and every medicines, whatever it is in today's world, that has got a past of Ayurvedic science. You take example, the Deriflin or anything, Reserpine, Etinol, whichever tablet you take it, it has got how they have found out it. Like, you know, you can take the cancerous drug Vincristine and Vinblastine, so which is found in Sada Pushpa or Nitya Pushpa. So actually it has been in Ayurveda, so we did not use it actually. Anyhow, it has been in Grantha after all. But you know, if you just think, you know, it's just advanced of Ayurveda. We have to think in that sort. What we are doing nothing and just keep on blaming others for what they are doing. So it is not fair, no? What we have to do, research, everything we have to do it. So henceforth we can do these many things, no? So, like, you know, we are more considered, like, you know, we are more superior to all the radiologists, because they only can scan at the moment you have got cancer. We are able to tell before 7 months there is possibility of developing cancer. So you have to change all those things, which is better. So I ask you to study nadi such that you can save many lives. So you can give many good people to the your country, because negative way of thinking will cause us suicidal thoughts. They will get suicide, they will hurt others. When patient comes to you, if you are correcting their manas, then even though they will have many problems in their life, many disease for them, so they will be able to face it. It's not that I will cure you completely. You are giving assurance. Change your mindset such that your brain, your God will heal you. It's not the medicine that is working. As there was a research based on the morphine, powerful painkiller, where 100 cancer patients were given morphine and told that they just, like, you know, like just it's a drip we are giving, don't worry. So no one told that we got rid of pain. The other, like, you know, the same persons were given distilled water and told that this is a powerful painkiller in the world, very costly, 10,000 rupees per injection. We are giving within half an hour, all pain will go off. What happened? After half an hour, all pain vanished. So doctor was very much confused. What is actually happening? So later they understood, whenever the patient imagined, believed whatever you told, pain gateway theory started, where the neurons, the powerful hormones in our brain released, neurotransmitter released, and so that their pain was decreased. So you, by now, at least you have understood that the power of manas. So henceforth, what I tell you is that understand in a depth, so you will be able to understand for yourself at least. So you can understand your time, has come or not, your time of death. So you can prepare for yourself. Okay, you can at least understand that, okay, I'm getting this problem, so I should change my thought or my lifestyle. So you can be a self doctor itself. So henceforth, I just want everyone to learn this Nadi Chikitse, at least for themselves and for the others. Coming to next. So in brief, the process of damage of kidney from first level to the unseen signs and symptoms to the seventh level with no blood markers are positive at this moment. So each organ have 7-layer protection. If we are able to notice by Nadi, the retrieval of patient is very easy. So Nadi gives an early prevention and diagnosis. Types of waves. So what is normal wave is, you can hold your hand in this way and you can feel this is a normal wave. This is high wave, high tidal wave. This is little bit low and this is very low. So no dhatu poshana is happening in this one. So this is very much mild. So for example, this curve is very low, sub nourishment of the waves. This is this one. You can feel this screw. So when after patient comes after 2-3 days, if the waves are at least this like no, now we can understand it's improved. If you feel here, it's still improved. Oh, if it has come here, oh, okay, very good. Now you're okay. No need of medicine. You can go. If it is something like it is like vata has aggravated, so you have to do vata alunomala. All these things you will be able to know. In the same way, I have told obstruction. So when there is obstruction, what will happen? There is a M type of wave where in a single pulp you will be feeling M-shaped wave in your hand. So because if you feel it, then only you'll be able to understand. It's not like I will be teaching swimming, like all theory class, you have to take your hand, do that, this and everything. When you enter into the water, you will drown. In the same way, you have to understand the Nadi means you have to come to the Guru, understand how the waves are, what is the possibility of waves, why waves are not coming at all. So many things are there here. I cannot explain each and everything over the 1 hour, but my sincere effort to make you understand all the good information I have given you. But still, I recommend that we are running a course where that you can just contact me later. So you can join online. There will be webinars. So there will be like stored pre-recorded videos. There will be there, and so you can come over here to my place, to my clinic, Karnataka, Balahennuru, Chikmagaluru district, Karnataka, where you can stay here for 1 week, and you will be able to understand and see patient over here, and you will be really appreciating all the things. So whatever possible, I am just giving you now. So vata, when vata is trying to, like, there will be kicking pulse means when the uterus is removed, okay, there will be kicking pulse, no pulsation of uterus. So there will be kicking pulse. It will stop here itself in 1 finger. Manas is like a driver. So if you control Manas, just like its handle is in the driver. Driver can do accident or go fast, or he can drive carefully. So if Manas is not at all there, so what is the use then? So you have to control the Manas. So that is the supermost treatment of all the system of medicine. So Manas is the hero. So coming to Vata relates to the Sattva, Pitta relates to the Rajas, Kapha relates to Tamas. See, when Rajas is something like Raja, Pitta is something like Raja, where Pitta decreases, what the mental confusion starts. When Pitta has the negative wave, he will not be able to understand, or he'll be in a state of confusion. I have to choose this way or I have to go this way. So he'll be in a confusion. So what will happen usually, if he get scoldings, he will soon go for a depression. Sometimes he will get anger and he starts scolding everyone. So that is also possible. Link between the Dhatu, Dosha and Manas. You can just see over here. So in the same way, whatever I had told, so Vata, Pitta, Kapha, in the same way Vata relates to the previous slide itself, no, it's there. So this is very much important thing. So how you will be able to tell after seeing the Nadi, these many years before the problem started, and these many years before you had a anger and you have got a fought with your neighbors. So that still is hurting you. If you go through this chart easily and perfectly, you will be able to understand since when the person started the disease and what is the reason for the disease for now. A patient came, that is a very interesting thing. She was cancer patient, just 30 years old. Actually it was in the third stage, esophageal cancer, where the cancer had blocked the esophagus, where she was not able to drink or drink water itself. So actually Hassan and saw the Nadi and told, these many years ago you started the jealousy, no? What was the reason for that? Yes, doctor, actually I was not getting adjusted to the mother-in-law, and I'm very much irritated with my husband. So as he obeys the mother-in-law command only, so I'm very much jealous over her. So when I asked her, like, this is the cause for you getting these problems. So when she realized it, so she the positive waves, she took it. So there is a just I'm telling in a brief manner. So there is a periodical step by step process where we will give Satvava Jaya Chikitsa, after which I got a call after 3 days, doctor, now I am able to drink water, now I am able to drink milk and take some gruels also, feeling much better than before. So it is possible then. So actually I wanted to tell you is that, so when you understand the manas, when you change the software, the the disease progression will stop and it start regressing. So that is the most important thing. Okay, coming to next point. So you can see here our cervical C1, when it is being compressed, head optical nerves, the organs, the nerves goes to head and optic nerve and brain. So what is the possible symptoms we get? So headache we will get. In the same way, T6, when it is been jammed, you can see a stomach muscles, pancreas, that nerve goes to our spinal T6, it goes to the stomach and digestion problem, heartburn, and that will cause diabetes mellitus. Now you can understand one thing, that which nerve got compressed in nadi itself, and you can tell you have got diabetes, you have got that problem. Now you will be able to understand, if you are able to understand where is the compression, and you will be able to correct easily with many treatments such like drawn, osteopathy, kinoplasty, marma chikitse, okay, edirkalai thadaval varmam. Okay, all these techniques if you are using, then you will be able to relieve the compression itself. Coming to next point, analyzing nadi. So we understood that all dhatu has a link with sapta chakra. Organ level is understood by spinal nerves and its relation with the organs of each nadi has told in the chart. Example, if you are not getting left hand kapha nadi of the Medas nadi, it is understood that kidney wave is not felt. So by inference, we can understand that T11 nerve root is functionally impaired, which gives the inference that Manipura chakra is weak. So there is much type of analyzation. We have to speak with the nadi, and the nadi will give a reply. As you see in the ECG, you will be able to understand what is the problem in heart. In the same way, each and every organs will give the waves. Each and every organ will give the waves. So we are only able to understand heart by ECG, but each and every organ will have that waves, which is well understood in nadi, all the organ waves. So learn nadi. Okay, so it will be very interesting, and moreover, it will it is life savior for many people all over the world. So if just imagine a pipe, okay, so the lighter things go up, heavier things go down. In the same way, as you press lighter things, you get rasa, rakta, mamsa, meda, asti, majja, shukra. In the same way, vata is in high level, you will get pitta, lower, middle level, below kapha. So each nadi have vata, pitta, kapha, all dhatus. In the same way, organs are changed. That's it. Because if you have to understand why organs are changed, you have to learn edirkalai thadaval varmam, how sushumna nadi, idaigalai pingalai nadi circulates in our body, how the meridians in acupuncture go. By understanding all those things, then we will be able to give the correct diagnosis or correct position of this one. What is a cell actually? So this is a cell, structure of a cell. So normal cell potential is around about 90 millivolt. Okay, in inflammatory condition it will increase up to 120 millivolt. So if it is below 30 means degeneration will be happening. So understanding nadi, each cell have a membrane potential, have its own energy producing system, and releases ATP molecules by which we will be able to work. It means that there is a controller of the cell, so that how much energy has to be released to a person for which situation, etc. So we know, as we see a lion in front of us, so there will be a fight or flight response from the CNS. So what will happen? Immediately heartbeat increases if we see a lion, then ATP molecules will be released abundantly. So the patient or person, we tell like I'm not able to walk half a meter also, he just runs kilometers together. From where this energy has come? Just by a single thought of Bhaya, which made him to run so many kilometers or had that immense energy. So why don't you believe that Manas has that much capacity? Why do you just discard the Manas? So henceforth, I just tell you that if you encourage the Manas, you can do the wonders and you can do the miracles in your system of medicine. Whichever the system of medicine you may be practicing, it need not be allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, Unani, Siddha, or whichever the system. But when you understand that not the medicine it's working, it's the thought process it's working. So similarly, there was a research conducted for a cardiac block patient, where one group of people were surgically operated for the cardiac block, and they were being monitored, and another group just they went to the taken to the operation theater, just given a small incision and just sutured it. They did not do anything, and they monitored what is going to happen, and they told that yes, we have done effectively, no problem. But after seeing for 5 years these two groups, A group certainly 50% died within 5 years, but the B group, though for whom the operation was not done, they sustained for 10 years or more. So what is the actually outcome? You are not doing anything magic. So only if you are initiating the mind, that itself is a miracle, because we are supercomputers. We know like how to recover. The mind knows how to recover the things. It's not necessary like if you have got a burn, if you have got a wound, each and every time you go to a doctor, have a bandage, it will get cured by itself. Then what is the problem now? So we have to help the patient to have correct thought process. If the thought process is an anger itself, what will happen? The cell energy keep on increasing 120 millivolt, but that cannot sustain for a long time. Then it starts degeneration. That will happen. So if we are able to understand the degeneration and the inflammation in nadi itself, why that process has started, you can reverse the thought. So you can give a positive wave thought. So where you will be happiest person in the world after treating this patient with Sattva Vajaya Chikitsa. Because I have seen my patient not complaining of anything. After Sattva Vajaya Chikitsa, they come to me, doctor, I am very much okay than before. Usually before that, what happened? Doctor, I was same old thing, same pain. After giving Sattva Vajaya Chikitsa, they understood that if a smallest thing, I have to appreciate. After that, the thing is I am going to tell is that when they increase their moral, what will happen? No, they will have a capacity to withstand over the pain. So I usually give Sattva Vajaya Chikitsa in this way. So take in this hand whatever the negative things you have, take this hand whatever positive things you have. So negative things, I have got back pain, I am not able to walk. Okay, so you are able to see, you are able to digest the food, you are able to walk, you are having car, so you can travel anywhere. So you have got beautiful children, 2 children. So if you keep on analyzing what you have, so it's more. What you do not have, it's very less. As you see, as you climb the height of the mountain and see the small houses, it will be very small, no? As you see, climb the height of the mountain and see your problem, it's nothing. So the mind analyzes that this is not big thing. So let me enjoy whatever it comes to me. Let me enjoy the nature. Let me enjoy with children. Let me chit chat with my friends. So all these things, the person starts to enjoy. So in NLP, neuro limbic programming, what we tell to the patient, no, like the patient comes with severe back pain, I'm not able to work, that this and they will come. So we ask grandfather or my dear friend, so would you able to recollect the happiest time in your life? Oh, then that person will tell, yeah, yes, I had my friends and we had gone to a trip, or had been to my with my wife for a honeymoon or something like that. Like that will be a very happiest thing. When they think of happy things, no, what happens? The love hormones or adrenaline, corticosteroids will release, and immediately you can see, no, patient will be happy. When they are happy, the pain subsides, and without knowing him, just ask, now you please come, like let us walk and speak. He walks better than before. His pain is like now, in between you have to ask, how is your actually pain now? Reduced, no? Yes, reduced. So we tell that. So think of the happier times where you will be happy. Whenever you will be happy, happy hormones will be induced and we will be okay. So if we understand all the things in the manas, then why we have to use painkillers or anything unnecessarily? Like, no, it's not like totally, no, unnecessarily. So if you understand the manas, give and treat accordingly, then that will be the most happy thing that you are going doing in your life. In the same way, I have written cellular respiration. So most of the steps of cellular respiration take place in the mitochondria. Oxygen and glucose are both reactants in the process of cellular respiration. The main product of cellular respiration is ATP. Waste product induces carbon dioxide and water. So now it is an interesting thing. Body's total voltage 70 trillion volts. We have got 3.5 trillion volts in our body, which is almost equivalent to 4 times that of lightning. So for the lightning to occur, it requires around about 3 point. It is there here. So around about 3 trillion volts per meter. So we have got 16 trillion volts in our body. So which is equivalent to 4 times the Gudugu or Minchu, what do you call lightning. So that much powerful energy system we have in ourselves. So we are underestimating ourselves. So we are underestimating that our body cannot cure us. So give proper thought process, 100% body will get cured. So it is all about manas. Manas is the signal controller. By all this, we understood that manas is a factor controlling the cell energy. If it goes high, it causes inflammation. When it goes low, it leads to degeneration. So we are in the world of medicine. We have different system of medicine, and many of our medicine acts on manas only. As told in homeopathic medicine, it is given to the personality, not the disease. Similarly, flower remedy also work in the manas level. Even Ayurveda works by activating manas. So till now we thought medicines are given to the disease, but now you understand that medicines are given to the manas. So till date, the most powerful painkiller morphine also failed in front of manas. So I would like to tell my dear friends, please consider the manas factor for disease. Then only proper healing will take place. Then only many good people will be out of to the world by your interference. So Nadi Pariksha, you can see different things running in our system. So what is Nadi? That's all. We have losing many. So we are not able to as I've told in we'll talk about cell vibration. Each cell vibrates as it works and it releases energy. So each cell has its own vibration. A group of cells assigned to do same job. So if a cancerous cell settles in that organ, the vibration is changed and bifurcation of waves are being felt in the nadi. So each cell has its own vibrating style. So cardiac cells vibrate in a different way than liver cell vibrate, even though cell structure remain the same, but the action is different. That vibration is passed into the blood as it passes all the cell to collect waste and give nourishment. So you can see here, so sympathetic nerve hyperactivity. What will cause sympathetic nerve hyperactivity? Atherosclerosis, chronic renal failure. This is not I am telling, this is the science which is telling that it causes cirrhosis, type 2 diabetes, IBD, and each and everything you can go through, no, rheumatoid arthritis. And now you have to understood why there is sympathetic hyperactivity. That is because of manas. So when we understand this, treat the manas and don't go for treating the rheumatoid arthritis or IBD or cirrhosis. Before going to treat it, treat the causative factor, that is the ultimately the manas. So now you understood. So I think now you will be able to appreciate the nadi chikitsa and its advantage. And if you are giving proper Sattva Jaya chikitsa, and if you learn properly with a proper nadi guru, so you will be able to come up with a beautiful flying colors. So I am now organizing a nadi diagnosis class shortly. So the interested people can contact me personally and you will be getting the details. So you can join me. You might be in any part in the world, no matter. So I am ready to teach you at any cost. So no problem, just come to me. So we will be sharing a beautiful thing to the world. So because it needs further much training, it's not possible to complete within a hour. So inside nadi, how it will be? So normal disc, degenerated disc, bulging disc, herniated disc, each and everything because of the cell activity. When the cell goes diminished in size, diminished energy, because of thought process, there will be herniation. What we do? We give treatment to the body, give massage, that, this and everything. What they is use. So you have to increase the cell power, means correct the thinking process. Then automatically that could be corrected. And if anything left, you can treat by any system of medicine. You can see places of organ in the nadi that I have told you. So there is interlink between tamas, mechanism of manifestation of disease. As tamaguna increases, depletion of dhatu will occur. From shukra dhatu, as prakrita kapha decreases, dushta kapha increases and srotas get blocked. As vayu gets obstructed, takes pitta to kaphasthana for doing vilayana of sroto, vaigunya and avarana. But it is a natural process by which body corrects by itself. But still, the negative wave of mind is so intense that it will make further block by which pitta starts losing its guna and become manda. So still, vata will sustain to increase its potentiality, landing up in drying up the rest of the dhatu like one man army. Soon gets exhausted, just like lion fighting with elephant. It might kill lion, but due to the exhaustion, lion will die soon. So soon get exhausted and vata kshaya happens, leading to death. When the tamas starts affected by the process of the person, then starting point of the, that is the, when tamas is been affected, that is when kapha is affected by negative thinking, the disease will start. So sattva jaya chikitsa means like by giving di dhairya atma di vijnanam in step by step process, we will be able to induce positive waves in that person. So we take help of counseling technique, psychotherapy technique, hypnotization, dimensions of sattva jaya chikitsa, as I told. So so to know more, just you can contact me. You can see my YouTube channel, Dr. Joseph Joy, or else you can contact me 810-528-7961, or you can mail me at josephjoy944@gmail.com. So nadi, unless you study with the guru, it's not possible to understand nadi. So you are all welcome to the course we are organizing in our institution, where you will get a chance of coming to the clinic and learn the skill of nadi diagnosis and treatment. So waves of coronavirus. So when waves invade the cell, when the virus invades the cell, a new vibration is produced. In one finger pulp, you can feel this type of wave in your finger. So when dog can smell the virus by proper training, why not? This is possible for us. Thank you. So any doubt, you can just ask.
Now the delegates word for asking their question.
Hello.
Hello. Tell me.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening to you, madam. Tell me.
Thank you, sir, for sharing such a wonderful knowledge. Sir, you
Okay.
have told about manas in such a vast thing. So only our acharyas called manas as atindriyana, sir.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, sir. So for every disease, the nadi chikitsa will help. Even it may
100%, no
be
doubt.
okay. By using nadi chikitsa, we can prognosis of the disease and can be detected, sir.
Yeah, prognosis, and also moreover one thing, if you just, it's not sufficient if you learn nadi. It's something like, no, the what you call, what is the name of the, like, Abhimanyu. He entered the Chakravyuha and he was not knowing how to come outside. If you just study only diagnosis part, it will be something like entering the Chakravyuha. If you study Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, you can enter into them and you can think, you will be having the same intuition whatever the person is having. If at all, if the person is having suicidal thoughts, you get the same things in your mind. So that like, there will be a sync, has that we have the Bluetooth, no, in the same way we have with the sync with the patient's mind, and we after giving Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, we can take that out and throw it out. So if we do not learn Sattva Jaya Chikitsa, please do not practice Nadi.
Okay.
Question, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, fine.
Just a reminder, our delegates are requested to fill up the form for e-certificate. It's been in the chat box, and the recording will be a recording of this webinar will be uploaded on YouTube after this meeting, and the delegates are requested to ask their question. We will take some more time for Q&A section. Sir, it's looked like we have covered all of our topic. Is there anything else, sir, you wanted to cover before a wrap up?
Any questions? We can I can give. That's it. Most of
Ah,
the
yes,
things I have
sir.
covered. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, please tell
Sattva
me.
Jaya Chikitsa.
Yeah.
Sir, or do you have that course again for Sattva Jaya Chikitsa? It's by our learning,
No.
sir.
If you come to learn Nadi diagnosis and treatment, my heading is something like that. It comes along with Nadi. If you just learn Nadi, it's not sufficient. You have to come out with Sattva Vade. It's a combined course itself. It's not different.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Sir, there is a question in chat box. Can we dictate corona from Nadi?
100%. That's what I told you. Know the waves I have told you. That is possible. 100%. And you can treat efficiently. That is not a problem at all. I told because of Baya only cytokine storms come, and that is the cause of most of the death. Baya. So remove that Baya. Finished. That's it.
Hello, sir. Through online only we can learn that Nadi Chikitsa, but we have
actually,
to pulse
when if you are just contacting me, so there, like the interested student will be like forming one WhatsApp group. For them, I will be like giving recorded videos, pre-recorded videos, handwritten materials. There will be webinars. After that, for a completion certificate, you have to come over here, because Nadi, it's not the thing like you can learn only in your home. It's not possible, because each and everything you have, like I have to understand that you have learned it. Any more questions?
Okay, sir. Thus we come up to the end of the section. Before winding up, let me thank our eminent guest, Dr. Joseph Casey, CMO Nityadhara Mata Clinic, Karnataka, for accepting our invitation without refusal. Sir, it was a great presentation, and moreover, it is really informative.
സാർ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇതിലുണ്ട്, കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്.
In coma patient, how we analyze nadi?
See, it's nadi, it's a essence of each and everything. When you learn anatomy, physiology, modern science, ayurveda, each and everything, nadi, it's not a simple game at all. So you can have many nadi places, not ever only you can just in case of pulse paradox, the phenomena of pulse paradox, you will not feel nadi itself. In most of the degenerative cases, you will not feel the nadi. Then how you will be able to understand? See, that's why I tell you, see, nadi is just like an ocean. So you cannot just superficially understand. You can see nadi over here, abdominal aorta, so for femoral, popliteal. So it's something like, it's very, very really vast, and it's amazing technique. So you can come over here, so to learn much and more about the things. You can understand each and everything.
The delegates
Anything
can,
else?
come forward, please, for their queries. Okay, sir, let us conclude.
Okay.
I take this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to Dr. Joseph Casey, sir, on behalf of GADH Varkala and AMI Artingal Area Committee. So really, it was a very informative and helpful presentation. Next, I would like
Thank
to
you.
extend my sincere gratitude to each and every delegate for their patience on attending their webinar without any fail. Thank you for being with us till the end. And I would like to apologize for the delay due to network issues and the other inconvenience during the presentation. I hope that the program like this would definitely come up again, bringing more knowledge and opportunities to the present era. Once again, I thank you, all of you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, thank you, sir. It's a really valuable class. We got some more information. Okay, so now have 10th section. Once again, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you.